everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a bedroom haul. I picked up a bunch of items for my bedroom. As I mentioned to you guys before, I'm redecorating my bedroom and I'm so excited to show you guys. So this video is sponsored by Lull. If you guys are not familiar with them, they are a mattress company. They did send me a mattress for me to review for you guys, so I'm super excited. You guys are going to see the whole process of how this mattress got into my home. I hope you guys enjoy.
Mom, the UPS man is here. It's a tiger box. Look at the tiger. Whoa. You want to bring it in? Yeah. Okay. Oh, look at me, Daddy. Push. Push, Leo.
For the record, my kids did not push the box inside. It was just part of this whole little storyline.
Oh, yeah. Tiger!
I'm so excited to be turning this room into a different style. Yep, Leo's outside. So that was our little unboxing of how simple it is to get your own mattress at home. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them on the comments down below. We're going to give it 24 hours and come back and check on it.
I like it.
I'll be back in 24 hours to give you guys my final thoughts. It now has been 24 hours and the mattress has completely expanded. My husband loved it. Athena, don't fall. It is really nice and soft. It's a lot higher than the one that I used to have. My husband completely loved the mattress. It was a bit, it feels very firm compared to what we used to have. So thank you so much to Lull for sponsoring this video and for making my life a little easier. Alright, so my overall thoughts, I can see the difference between my old mattress and the one that I have now. My old one, sorry, my old one was a lot softer and it was a lot smaller. This one is higher, like a lot thicker. It looks better quality. It's really, really nice. My husband loves the new mattress. My mom got a chance to try it out this morning as well because I wanted to get her opinion. She loved it. So everyone's super happy with the mattress. Also, I do want to mention a few things. They gave me a discount code where you can save $150 on your purchase. The discount code is going to be in the description box, and also free shipping and free returns. You get to try the mattress if you want to try it out. You can try it out for 100 days. If you do not like it, you can always send it back, and when you send it back, the shipping is free. So that's super cool. At first I was like, oh my god, I wonder how it's gonna be like to get a mattress sent home. I was clueless. I did not know. I honestly did not know what to expect, but I'm in love with the mattress. Super comfortable. And yeah, so I highly recommend it. Our old mattress was, I want to say 2 years old. It wasn't that old. I did mention to Evan that I wanted to purchase a new mattress. So when I got the email from Lull, I was super happy. I couldn't believe it that I was literally thinking of a new mattress and I got a new mattress. Oh my god, I can tell you guys so many stories that are similar to this. You have no idea. But anyways, no, I am in love with the mattress. So is my husband. And the kids, well, as you guys saw, they got a chance to jump on it. So they really enjoyed it too. It's a combination of a soft mattress slash kind of firm. So it's in between. As you guys just saw, the process of getting the mattress set up was super easy. But of course, my husband helped me out. As you guys saw, my husband did all the work. I was the director. I said, you know what? You'll do it because I know I'm a control freak. And if he's behind the camera and I see the footage and something doesn't work, I was not gonna be happy. I needed everything to be on point. So then that's the reason why he helped me do everything. It was super fun and easy. I didn't want to jump right on into the mattress, but although he did try it and he gave me his honest opinion.
I like it.
You do?
Mm-hmm. I feel like it's more firm than that one. And I like it.
I didn't tell him that I was recording him just because I wanted to catch his like real reaction, like true feelings. How do you feel? So yes, you guys, there you have it. Don't forget there's going to be a $150 discount code in the description box. Don't forget free shipping, free returns, and 100-day free trial so that you get to test out your new Lull mattress. But anyways, thank you so much to Lull for sponsoring this video. And now let me show you guys the other items that I have for my bedroom. Alright, but before I do, let's talk. You see this? It was not planned. Yeah, I wanted to, you know, like dye my hair for this video because it was kind of looking a little yellowish. As you all know, I'm blonde. I don't know. So, anyways, so then I did my hair, I colored, I did my mixture. I do it on my own, you guys know that. I ordered it from Amazon, medium, no, I'm sorry, light brown. Like light brown. I don't know what happened. I honestly do not know what happened, and now I have dark hair. Luckily it is a demi-permanent, so it's gonna fade away. I'm gonna be blonde again, hopefully, fingers crossed. This was not expected. I think they kind of messed up on the packaging, and that's what I want to think because I'm dark now. I'm a brunette. I'm usually a blonde. I don't know how I feel. I have mixed emotions. When I was coloring my hair, my son is like, Mom, your forehead is really black. And I was like, oh, it's okay. It's gonna like, I'm just gonna go in the shower. It's gonna go away. Like, I never thought of going back into the bathroom to check how the color of my hair was going. I didn't think about it. You know, because I always do. I always color my hair on my own. So when I went in the shower and I saw myself in the mirror, I was like, oh my god, what the heck is this? I hope it's just the, what's it called, the hair dye. And like, my hair's not going to be dark. So then I go into the bathroom, I come out, and I'm looking like this. Like, oh my god, my hair is dark. So here you guys have it. I'm a brunette now. I'm done. Not on purpose. It was an accident. But anyways, we'll make it work. I hope you will like my new hairstyle. Good thing I do have wigs, so I can always be a blonde again. Even though I have this hair. But anyways, let me show you guys what I got from Homegoods and also Tjmaxx. So the first item that I got, it is a beautiful, beautiful tray. This tray is from Homegoods. I thought it was so pretty. When I first saw it, I thought it would be nice for my living room. But then as I got everything together for my bedroom decor, I was like, you know what? I think I'm going to use it in my bedroom. And on the bottom, it has a mirror, like a mirror tray. I love the detailed right there, the little swirls. And this, I believe I paid $12.99 for it, which I thought it was really affordable. And I'm also going to be using it in my patio because out there, look, outside of my patio, it kind of matches with my dining set that I got. The next item that I got are these beautiful Faux Flowers. These ones, I did get them a while back. I believe the price for them were $16.99. And this is how the bottom looks. Yep, $16.99. And they are from Homegoods. I'm gonna leave items that are similar to what I'm showing you in the description box, so if you guys are interested, be sure to check out the description box. I will be linking items that are similar to the ones that I'm showing you, because I know when you shop at Homegoods and Tjmaxx, it is kind of hard for me to link items because most of the time they're one of a kind or you cannot find them online. Alright, moving on. The theme for this bedroom decor that I'm doing, it is something that I have not done in a while. I actually did this color before, but I don't think I did this blue. Alright, so these are my pillows that I'm going to be using for my bed. And I got these pillows from Homegoods. The price for them were $24.99. They're so pretty. Look how velvety they are. I only have one set, so I'm trying to look for another set. Hopefully I do find them, but right now that summer is here, like, well, literally almost here, it's kind of hard to find them. I feel like it was more of a winter item because I did buy them when it was around Christmas, I want to say. I know I've been having them for a while and I didn't show you guys, but this blue is so pretty. It's gonna look so luxurious. I feel like this velvety material makes it look super nice and expensive, so I'm really excited to be decorating with this. Alright you guys, now I'm gonna show you, I have 3 more items. This is one of the items that I'm most excited about. It is my beautiful comforter. So pretty. It is by Ralph Lauren. I purchased this at Homegoods. The price for this comforter was $70. It was on sale. Regular price was $100. Again, I'm gonna look for a comforter that is similar and I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. What I loved about this comforter was that it had blue and yellow and it matched perfectly with the pillow. Here you can see how pretty it's gonna look. I was thinking of adding a throw, maybe like a white throw, or even a gray throw will look really nice because the comforter has a little bit of gray as well. You cannot see it, but this is not white. It's more like a cream, and it also has some flowers that are kind of grayish. Look at that. It's a little bright in here. There you go. You can kind of see it better. Like right here. Those little shades, it's kind of grayish. Last but not least is, ta-da! I don't know if you guys remember, but I saw this lamp at Homegoods and they had it in black. I was raving about it. I was super happy when I saw it. I wanted to purchase it, but I was like, oh my god, if they only had it in white. And one of my followers on Instagram told me that they actually had it at the Tjmaxx website, so I logged in and I purchased a set. These are going to be my new lamps for my bedroom. It's gonna look super nice. You guys are getting the whole vibe now. Of course we're gonna be decorating together, so stay tuned for that video. Turn it on so that you guys can see. Ooh, look how pretty that is. So yeah, but anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to show you guys all these beautiful items decorated in my room or displayed in my room. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite item. What do you think about my bedroom decor ideas? Of course, you guys cannot see the whole vision yet, but once I do get everything in, I'm waiting on a few stuff. You guys will decorate with me. I'll bring you guys along my my whole room decor. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to Lull for sponsoring this video. Also, let me know what do you think about my new hair color. Has this happened to you, or is this something that only happens to Leslie? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.